Welcome back my YouTube channel Crypto Gems. Today, I will tell you about a new floor token that will be a real rail. And today, I will tell you can change the token by and its cryptocurrency. Before starting the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the button Alaikum. Website link in description. Let's start video. The name of this token is Squid Game. Welcome to the real Squid Game. We are really developing an online game. It will be amazing. It will be epic. Next, a game based on the famous TV series, Soldiers Against Prisoners. The ability to deploy the battle in familiar locations. Next, in the game Squid, there are two options. Fight in the arena in the MOBA style or complete levels with puzzles and simple tasks. Earn Squid tokens and spend them to acquire new characters and skills. Team up to earn more tokens and get additional rewards. Next, Tokenomics. You read the Tokenomics. Next, Roadmap. Q3 2021. Get copyright, website, and social media launch. Launch token S game. Start the game. Next, Q1 2022. Smart contract audit. 5,000 plus holders. jourdäڨsäq. CoinMarketCap listing. Next, Q2 2022. Game infrastructure, NFT development and release, online shop, 20,000 plus holders. To be announced. I click chart button. Next, you seen and read chart. I click buy S game button. Next, I change the 500 bust into USD. Next, I click connect wallet button. Next, you seen connect wallet options, and you chose any option. I request you subscribe to my YouTube channel Crypto Gems. Thanks for watching. My next video coming soon.